What's up, tech fans, and welcome back to the channel. First up, Xiaomi is making some serious waves in Korea, rolling out their brand new Xiaomi 15T smartphone, complete with those incredible Leica lenses. This isn't just another phone launch. It's a major statement from Xiaomi Korea, and we've got all the details on what this means for the market. But Xiaomi isn't stopping there. They're going global in a massive way, opening their very first overseas electric vehicle R&D and design center right in Munich, Germany. Get ready, Europe, because Xiaomi is targeting a full market entry by 2027, and they're serious about shaking things up in the EV space. And speaking of electric vehicles, the buzz around Xiaomi EV is getting louder. Deliveries are speeding up, and production capacity is expanding like crazy. We're talking about significantly shorter wait times for their YU7 sedan and YU7 SUV. How fast are they really ramping up, and what does this mean for customers? We'll break it all down. Finally, we're looking at the financial side of things. Daiwa Securities just reiterated their buy rating on Xiaomi, setting an ambitious target price and highlighting their plans for revenue growth and AI integration. Is Xiaomi's stock the next big thing? We'll dive into the analysts' perspective and more. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Xiaomi ups the ante in Korea with Leica-powered 15T smartphone. Xiaomi Korea is making a powerful statement in the South Korean market with the official launch of their latest smartphone. The Xiaomi 15T, this move signifies a significant push to capture a larger share of the competitive Korean tech landscape, boasting premium features that aim to impress even the most discerning users. The general manager, Joni Woo, was front and center at the press event in Seoul, showcasing the device that integrates cutting-edge technology with renowned optics. At the heart of the Xiaomi 15T's appeal are its advanced Leica lenses, a partnership that brings professional-grade photography capabilities directly into the hands of consumers. This collaboration promises unparalleled image quality, enhanced low-light performance, and a suite of creative shooting modes that leverage Leica's rich heritage in optical excellence. Beyond the camera, the device is packed with the latest performance upgrades and sleek design elements that Xiaomi is known for, aiming to compete directly with established players in the premium smartphone segment. The launch event, held at the Pullman Ambassador Seoul East Bowl, buzzed with excitement as Joni Woo detailed the phone's specifications and its strategic importance for Xiaomi in Korea. The company also showcased accompanying earbuds, rounding out a strong product offering designed to appeal to a broad audience. The presence of a dedicated Xiaomi store in Gui further underscores the company's commitment to a robust retail presence and customer engagement. Public reaction has been swift, with tech enthusiasts eagerly discussing the 15T's specifications online. Analysts are watching closely to see if the Leica partnership can provide Xiaomi with the edge it needs to challenge market leaders like Samsung and Apple in a region where brand loyalty is traditionally high. The focus is on whether this new flagship can translate into significant market share gains for Xiaomi Korea. But that's just the beginning of our Xiaomi deep dive. Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover how Xiaomi is revving up its engine in the global auto industry next. Xiaomi's global EV ambitions ignite with Munich R&D hub. In a move that signals serious global automotive aspirations, Xiaomi has officially established its first overseas electric vehicle, EV, research and development and design center in Munich, Germany. This strategic expansion marks a significant step in the tech giant's ambitious plan to enter the European market, with a target launch set for 2027. The Munich facility will be the nerve center for developing vehicles tailored to the specific demands and preferences of European consumers. The establishment of this R&D hub is crucial for Xiaomi's global EV strategy. It allows the company to tap into Germany's renowned automotive engineering talent pool and its deep understanding of European regulatory standards and consumer tastes. By setting up shop in Munich, Xiaomi aims to accelerate the development of innovative EV technologies and sophisticated vehicle designs that will resonate with the European market, fostering local collaboration and speeding up product cycles. This initiative is part of Xiaomi's broader vision to become a major player in the global electric vehicle industry, building upon its success in consumer electronics. The company has already made significant strides with its own EV models in China, and this European foothold is a clear indication of its intent to replicate that success on an international scale. The 2027 target suggests a well-defined roadmap for market entry, focusing on creating vehicles that are not only technologically advanced, but also aesthetically appealing and aligned with European design sensibilities. Industry observers are keenly watching Xiaomi's European venture, noting the immense challenge of breaking into a market dominated by established automakers. However, the company's track record in rapidly scaling production and innovation in other sectors gives many reason to believe in its potential. The move is expected to intensify competition and spur further innovation across the European EV landscape. From designing future EVs in Germany, we're shifting gears to see how Xiaomi is already accelerating the delivery of its current electric vehicles. You won't believe the production numbers. Xiaomi EV production surges, slashing delivery times for customers. Get ready for faster electric rides. Xiaomi's EV division is dramatically increasing its production capacity, leading to significantly shorter delivery times for its popular YU7 sedan and YU7 SUV models. This expansion is a critical move for Xiaomi as it aims to meet soaring demand and solidify its position as a formidable force in the competitive electric vehicle market. The core of this acceleration lies in the substantial increase in factory production capacity. Multiple sales representatives have indicated that the Xiaomi EV app is undergoing an upgrade that will dynamically optimize delivery cycles. For customers, this translates to a much reduced wait, with some delivery dates potentially advancing by up to 6 weeks, and in some cases, as much as 2 months, compared to previously quoted timelines. This is a major improvement from the typical 1 to 2 week adjustments seen previously. Last month alone, Xiaomi EV delivered an impressive 36,500 units, a testament to the rapidly rising production capabilities. The SU7 sedan, launched earlier this year as a competitor to the Tesla Model 3, and the recently released YU7 SUV, rivaling the Tesla Model Y, are both seeing increased output. Despite being a relatively new entrant, Xiaomi has achieved remarkable success, with production capacity being the primary factor limiting its delivery volume until now. Current wait times still range from 35-38 weeks for the SU7 and 51-54 weeks for the YU7, highlighting the significant demand that outstrips current output. This surge in deliveries has not gone unnoticed. August saw Xiaomi EV deliver 36,396 vehicles, marking the second consecutive month above the 30,000 unit threshold. Analysts like Deutsche Bank are projecting even higher numbers, anticipating September deliveries to hit a record 42,000 units, driven by improved supply chains and production efficiency. This expansion is crucial for Xiaomi to capture market share and demonstrate its manufacturing prowess. While Xiaomi EVs are rolling off the production line faster than ever, investors are also taking notice. What does Wall Street think of Xiaomi's future? We've got the latest stock ratings coming up. Daiwa Securities bullish on Xiaomi, reiterates buy rating with HKD 76 target. Analysts are signaling strong confidence in Xiaomi's future growth trajectory, with Daiwa Securities leading the charge by reiterating its buy rating and setting an ambitious target price of HKD 76. This endorsement comes as Xiaomi continues to expand its technological frontiers, particularly in electric vehicles, and leverages artificial intelligence to drive efficiency and innovation across its diverse product portfolio. In a research report released on September 25, Daiwa Securities highlighted Xiaomi's strategic plan to achieve RMB 700 billion in revenue within the next 3 years. The firm emphasized the company's continuous technological upgrades aimed at boosting electric vehicle production capacity. Furthermore, Daiwa pointed to Xiaomi's commitment to integrating AI models across its product functions, projecting significant enhancements in user experience and substantial reductions in operating costs through closed-loop AI commercialization. This multifaceted approach underscores Xiaomi's forward-thinking strategy. The buy rating from Daiwa Securities is a significant indicator of market sentiment, suggesting that the investment firm sees substantial upside potential in Xiaomi's stock. The HKD 76 target price reflects expectations of strong financial performance, driven by the company's aggressive expansion in the EV sector and its innovative use of AI technology. These developments position Xiaomi not just as a consumer electronics giant, but also as a serious contender in the automotive and AI spaces. This positive outlook from Daiwa Securities is part of a broader trend of institutional investors showing strong interest in Xiaomi. The company's ability to innovate across multiple high-growth sectors, from smartphones and smart home devices to electric vehicles and AI, appears to be a key factor driving these favorable ratings. Investors are closely watching Xiaomi's execution on its ambitious plans, especially its capacity to scale EV production and monetize its AI investments. That's all the Xiaomi news for today. But don't go anywhere, because we've got a lightning-fast recap of all the top stories and a full call to action to keep you connected. Xiaomi is making major moves. We saw their exciting new Xiaomi 15T smartphone launch in Korea with Leica lenses, signaling a strong push into that market. Then, we traveled to Munich, where Xiaomi opened its first overseas EV R&D center, gearing up for a 2027 European market entry. On the production front, Xiaomi EV deliveries are accelerating rapidly thanks to increased manufacturing capacity, meaning you'll get your electric vehicle sooner. And finally, analysts like Daiwa Securities are bullish, reiterating a buy rating and setting a high target price, showing confidence in Xiaomi's tech and EV future. Don't miss out on any future tech and auto breakthroughs. Hit that subscribe button right now, ring the notification bell so you never miss an update, smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Plus, follow us on all our social media channels for even more exclusive content.